So this is the kit that I have from the dollar store, and it's got all of these cookie cutters at the back. It doesn't have a recipe, but luckily the Christmas tree one had a recipe for gingerbread. So we're actually going to use that because I have a feeling that if it works for the gingerbread, or sorry, for the tree, it should be a pretty good gingerbread recipe for a gingerbread house. At least that's what I'm going to go with.
But we're gonna decorate it today.
We are going to decorate it today, which may be our downfall because a lot of this needs to chill and rest and all of those things. We don't have time for that because Santa's coming today, right?
Tomorrow.
No, he's coming tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to make the gingerbread cookie recipe right now. Ready? Ready. Butter. 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to blend that all together. I'm going to put the sugar away. All right. Egg.
We're making cookies. I'm so excited. It looks like chocolate syrup.
It's molasses, bud.
It looks like chocolate syrup too. Wait.
You know, it's just not so
And it smells good. It's broke? I thought they were
I'm going to decorate them too also, okay? Sorry.
2. Whoop. Wow. Oh my god, it's getting a whole pile there. 1 million.
There you go.
Yeah. Bam. Oh! I'll be right there.
Okay.
I'll be going right there.
This makes a lot of gingerbread, my goodness. Okay. Can we lock it in? Mix it all together. It's okay, bud. Yeah.
This is the gingerbread?
I'm gonna make a drink because mom needs to take a little edge off. I bought this really cool strawberry daiquiri stuff. Took a picture of it because I'd never seen it before, and I sent a picture to my friend, and as I was taking a picture of it, the guy came up to me, one of the employees that works at the liquor store. He's like, you need to get that. That's amazing. I got it for my wife and she's already gone through 3 bottles and blah, blah. It's so funny. So I'm gonna try it. Apparently all you need is ice and to pour it over. And that sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Stronger than I was expecting.
Yeah, probably.
I was expecting it not to taste like alcohol at all. Over here though, I think. Well, no, we're gonna let it cool and then I'm gonna help Dara make her sugar cookies so we can do the Christmas tree. Built a freaking gingerbread house. High five! We freaking did it, dude!
Oh, it's a gingerbread house cookie. It sounds good.
We did it! Good job, buddy. You're amazing. Other side.
Oh.
Nope, it's just that the dough is getting stiffer. Put it all together
I'm
like we
glad that
did.
we made a lot of cookie dough.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna need a lot because this tree's gonna be pretty big. This here. This one here. There
Show them all the candies.
we go. I'm going to.
Show them the gummies that I have. And now the crushed out candies.
Excited to do some cookie decorating for Santa?
These.
I did, honey. Are you excited to decorate some for Santa?
I'm going to decorate this one for Santa.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I can do the eyes out of candy.
Love it.
I can put this in the belly and the gummy
Awesome.
candies on the belly.
Awesome.
And
Right in the middle.
oh, that was cool. I want to move my nose. I'm excited for Christmas tomorrow. Open it?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah.
Careful.
Let's see. What do we got here? I got lots of rocks. Oh my god!
What is it, buddy?
Look!
Oh, Oogie Boogie?
There's a guy!
Is that
Your
what-
favorite
Is
guy?
that who you say? Oogie Boogie?
Ask, what's it? How do you say his name, bud?
Boogie boogie.
Boogie Boogie.
Nice, bro.
Mom,
That's
can
awesome.
let's put him on the tree.
Yep.
Yeah.
New Christmas jammy.
These are my new Christmas chilies.
Yup.
Oh my god! Yay! We
Cute.
got twinsies! We got twinsies!
You're gonna be twinsies.
Yay!
That's
Wait.
what Megan.
Get the toys! Thank you!
Thanks, Mom.
You're the best!
Oh, you're
Thanks,
the best.
Mommy! Mom, look! Mom! He even has his dice!
Do you love it? And he even has his dice. Is that what he said?
Yeah, look.
Awesome. Cool. What is his? What does he do with his dice?
He rolls it. He rolls it.
And what happens when he like gets certain numbers? Does something happen or?
A snake comes out.
There.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've never even seen that part of the movie. Cool. Go find a good strong branch to put it on, guys. Callie, always so classy. Callie, Cal, what are you doing? Perfect. I'm gonna call Nora and see where he is. You wanna listen?
Thank you for calling NORAD. NORAD satellites and radar systems are tracking that Santa is now flying in Center from Argentina, visiting Chile and Uruguay. Visit our website, www.noradsanta.org, to see his exact location.
It's turning. We gotta see where he's heading now.
I swear, Kelly, you're so cute.
He turned again.
Where is he headed? Oh my goodness.
We need to go to bed though.
You need to go to bed though.
I'm staying for him to come.
Okay, well, let's get some milk and cookies ready.
Yep, I'll get the milk ready. I'll get the cookies. Milk, right there.
Wait.
Can I get a gummy?
Perfect. 'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her handkerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter's nap, when out on the lawn there arose such a clatter. I sprang to my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave luster of midday to objects below, when what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. With a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. More rapid than eagles, curses they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall, now dash away, dash away, dash away all. As dry leaves before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet with an obstacle, mount to the sky. So up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys and St. Nicholas too. And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys was flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard of his chin was as white as the snow. The stump of a pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and the twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and laying his finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh with his team, gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he rode out of sight, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a